everybody. I thought I would make this video this morning when I was getting ready. I recently got my Ruby Ribbon Cami and I thought I would give my review of it. When I was looking at this product online, I found that most of the videos on YouTube came from stylists or consultants, and I couldn't find what I would call an honest, true review from just a consumer. I'm not a consultant, I'm not a stylist, I don't do anything with the company. I just joined a friend's Facebook party and thought that this would be a really great investment, and I was excited to try it. The tagline for this is "Bye Bye Bra," and I thought that would be incredible. Like, every day I'm biting at the bit to get that underwire off. It is so uncomfortable, especially for somebody who has larger breasts. So I ordered my Ruby Ribbon Cami, and I got it, and I'm going to give you my review on it. I will tell you two things that I am a little iffy about. It didn't totally deter me away from the company, but it is a concern, so I just want to share that with you. One of them is the sizing. So my consultant unfortunately was in Phoenix, and I am about an hour and a half away from that, and I was unable to try on anything, so I had to do my best guess off their sizing guide. So their sizing guide is you take their inches around where your bra band usually sits, and if you're above a D cup, you add a size or add an inch. And then they go off of, like, you know, like apple, pear, pencil, that kind of thing for your shape of your body to help guide that as well. Unfortunately, they didn't have hourglass as one of them, which is weird, and I was like, maybe that should have been a clue that I shouldn't have ordered the size I ordered. I'll step back and show you. I am totally an hourglass shape. So I got a 32 because I measure 31 around my waist because I'm a true hourglass shape. And I will post a picture right now. That is what a 32 looked like on me. I had the worst double bubble. It was terrible. The cami is supposed to come up like this, and it was barely passing my nipple line. So I had to return it. The return wasn't so hard. You just fill out the back of the paper that comes with your cami and you send it in. The only bummer about that is you have to pay shipping. And when you have a cami that's so expensive and you don't have a consultant to be there to try on, I think it wasn't I don't really appreciate that I had to pay shipping, especially when I'm already spending so much money on the cami. I will say, when you first get your cami, shipping is super fast. It's like 2 days. However, when I had to exchange it, it took 15 days for the exchange to process. So that kind of irritated me and bugged me a little bit, but it is what it is. I have my cami now, and here's my review on it. I love it. I know it's crazy. It's totally something that I didn't think I would love, but I love it. I hate wearing underwire. I've nursed 2 babies, and my size is technically a 34E, and so I'm pretty well endowed. So they're heavy, is what I'm trying to get at. They're heavy, and I breastfed, and they're not like teenage perky anymore. So I was very skeptical that I was going to be able to wear a cami without a bra, because I wake up in the morning and put on a bra. Like, I'm always wearing a bra. So I put it on the first time, and I can say that I think it does everything that it's supposed to. You can see, let me make sure it's on totally right. You can see that my boobs are not hanging low. I think they're sitting pretty well as they would sit in a bra. The shape is good. They have these things called petals, and this is what a petal looks like. It is basically what we put in our swimwear, you know, and a lot of us big girls end up taking this out because it makes our boobs look really weird. But these are petals. They're sold separately, but I definitely recommend you get them. Otherwise, you're going to be showing everybody what the weather looks like outside. I don't need to be showing the whole office what the weather looks like, you know what I'm saying? So get the petals. They add some shape. Oh, I will show you what it looks like with and without a petal, because I was one of those people. I was searching and searching and searching for videos talking about petals, and the only things I saw were like how to put them in, and I wanted to know, like, are they worth it? Like, what are these petals for? Because the website doesn't totally describe that. well, this is what they're for. They're to give that a little bit of shape and to conceal the weather. So let's see. This is a without a pedal. And this is with a pedal. I also got a design that has this really pretty detailing lace. These ones are a little bit longer. These are the lace full support camis. I like it a lot. Again, I've already said that like 5 times, I know. I'm going to put on a t-shirt so you can see what it would look like with a t-shirt on, and I'll show you the back. The back's really cool because it comes up so high that it totally smooths your back out. So you're not going to have that like bulge over the band in the back on a bra. And the moisture wicking material, so it's kind of like an Under Armour material, it totally wicks away all the moisture from your body, so it's not holding in heat, which is awesome. Now I will say I've tried other support wear and they're not comfortable. A lot of them like come up to your band line and then you wear your bra on top of that, and that's like 2 big thick straps here, and that's terrible for me at least. So this is like one full thing. I don't have to be wearing a bra. It's just a cami. So I'm really happy with the purchase so far. I really think that if you are questioning it and you're like, well, I don't think it's gonna work, like I've got these big boobs and they hang low and blah blah blah, I think you should try it. I really do. They've got a good return policy, minus the fact that you have to pay the $7 to ship it back or whatever it would be from where you're at. And I paid for insurance because it's expensive. So anyways, I'm gonna throw that shirt on and let you guys see what it looks like with the shirt on. I just picked a regular old t-shirt. I'm a t-shirt and jean kind of girl, so this is what I would typically wear it with. So just like with any, there we go. It totally, if you can see in the back, there's no lines. It's totally smooth. The front, my boobs are here instead of down here. I mean, it's really quite comfortable, and to me, it looks good in the mirror. So I'm really pleased with the purchase, I have to say. Again, this is just my honest review. I have no affiliation with the company. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them in the comment box below. There's one more thing I wanted to point out. If any of you know Spanx or other shapewear, they tend to ride up. And again, I'm that hourglass shape, so things really tend to creep because I'm smaller. This product isn't 100% perfect. It hasn't been for me in that sense, but I will say that it doesn't creep as much as others. So I will show you on the bottom. There is, maybe I'll show you. There is silicone backing that's ribbed, and that helps it stay in place. So when you put this on, and then you put your underwear on top of it. So then when you go to the bathroom, all you have to do is pull down your underwear instead of moving the cami all day. I work 10 to 12 hours a day. I'm a nurse. And when I go to the bathroom or whatever during the day, that's the only time I've had to fix it. So only about 3 times a day. And it doesn't like totally come up to my waist or anything. It'll probably creep like this much. And then I just kind of like shimmy it back down. So it's really not even something worth mentioning, but I wanted to have a full, true, honest review for you guys. So that's the only thing that I've really noticed that I don't love. But it's not the worst thing ever. Like, I've worn shapewear that literally does not stay down. It is so hard to stay down. So this is like nothing. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I gave you some answers to any of your questions. And that's it. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and have a good day.